Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Roland. Today we have a great strategy. I have a great strategy for pocket option, for binary trading, and for you. So let's get started, but before, I'm waiting for your likes, comments, and subscriptions, of course. Let's proceed. Alright, we are on a broker. I'm trading on intra-exchange market, and this means that today we have intra-exchange quotes, right? And all currency pairs we have the status OTC, an increased percentage of payments. I already did analysis of the market for the last period of time, and today we will use of my favorite indicator combinations when trading on OTC. So this is our alligator, the fractal and CCI oscillator with the period of 15. An absolutely maximally simple strategy, and with the correct analysis of the market, the most of the signals will always close in plus. Believe me, guys. Alright, today we will be guided by the trend, analyze the trend and look for entry points based on some trend direction, right? Or some intra-trend moments we will trade on 1 minute time frame as usual, and I will open the first position for $50. Okay, let's start trading and select the first currency pair for the most optimal entry point. Okay, here I will open short position. Why not? The entry point did not take long to come. The alligator sliding lines begins to show a reversal, and the sliding lines themselves begin to intersect with each other. As you can see, our price has just crossed all three sliding lines of the alligator. In general, based on the nature of this movement, I think that further dynamics should also go down. Previously, we are now seeing a fairly good upward momentum, and this moment is contributing to this downward movement. Also, the oscillator sliding line is moving towards the oversold area, so let's see the results. Of course, we have 40 seconds left before completion. That's great. You can see the first positions in profits. Excellent. It was fairly easy deal, and thanks to the strategy, it works. Simply entry point, and I managed to hit the right opening timing and level and fix the prop position in plus. So let's choose the next currency pair. Alright, but here, on the contrary, the entry point also did not take for us to wait, and I will immediately open an additional position. Of course, we got an unpleasant impulse here when opening the first transaction on this asset, but I think that the second position should be closed in plus without any problems. Here we have the upward dynamics of movement, and after the flat corridor of price movement and after the renewal of the structural maximum, we had a rollback, and the structural local minimum was actually renewed. And after this, we see a rollback going up. So in this case, I open position for an increase. We'll look at the results of these two transactions. Alright. Yes, the first position is a minus, as I said, but the second one gonna be good. Great, yes, with a minus, but we're in the profits. I always advise keep some amount in reserve to open an additional transactions in case of some awkward moments like this. For example, which has happened, right? And if you are confident in your transaction, then always try to open an additional position. In my case, it always works. That's great position of trading. We continue trading. Also, for the opening at $50, we will select the next currency pair. Alright, let's try to open a position here against the trend direction, right? A deal is open for short, as you can see. There were such rollbacks we already have. Therefore, in general, I also allow such an opening. The intersection of the alligator sliding lines from top to bottom begins again previously updated structural global maximum for a fairly long period of time. This is a fairly strong global structural maximum for us. Also, the sliding line of the oscillator is striving for the oversold area. It should show us the intersection any minute now. Therefore, in this K movement, I allow opening for a short. I also catch such a small rollback, as you can see. We will see the result. A rather tense moment, by the way. Bullshit. Alright, now let's open additional position again for a short. In general, our entry logic remains absolutely the same. I think the exit downwards should happen here. There was a small rebound in the form of these two green candles. So it's okay. As I said, I keep a certain amount on my balance in case of awkward movements. And this happened to us again. Alright, so we'll watch the results about 25 seconds. That's great. You can see how far we are from our entry point. And yes, our position is in profits. That's great. Let's probably finish by opening another position for the maximum amount without the rights to make a mistake, in order to get an even more satisfactory profit for me. I'll try to find the best deal for today. Okay, here's the position, guys, for long in the direction of the actual trend dynamics. I would like to emphasize that we have a fairly strong upward dynamic here, and here we can open for long. Since before this we had two additional rollbacks, and in general, after these rollbacks, the dynamics of the price movement did not go even lower. It didn't break through the alligator sliding lines, and they still show a confident upward trend. That's great. So in this case, I open position in the direction of the dynamics. So there is about 16 seconds left before completion. We look at the result and waiting for our money. Great. We're in a plus. That's fine. Also, not a very difficult entry point here turned out. And on these results, let's fix today's profit and move on to the conclusion, because yeah, that was kind of tense trading. Position close at minus, at plus, so yeah, it's gonna be $395. Address and the code. Alright, continue button, and we're done here. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I wish you like it. Leave a comments, likes, and subscribe to my YouTube and Telegram channel. Waiting for you. I have a lot of signals on the channel, Telegram channel, copy trading. If you have any questions or afraid to get started, don't be afraid, guys. This is the profit you can take only from $100. So have a good market. Bye bye.